Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Zoom application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to sign out of your Zoom application, firstly open your Zoom application. Click on More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your name. On your profiles page, scroll all the way down and click on Sign Out option. Confirm signing out by clicking on Yes. It will automatically log you out of your Zoom application. This is how you can sign out of your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.